Harmony 1 tokens, I mean. Don't need these anymore. Now I'll show you the second way to bridge from AVAX to Harmony 1. I go to Avalanche mainnet, then I go to ELK finance / hashtags / swap. You click ELK Bridge, and then you click swap. You put in the tokens you want. And then you click ELK. You click swap, and you confirm the swap in your wallet. Sorry for the wait, guys. And you click confirm. This tells you you're done. You go to ELKnet. From ELKnet, you send your ELK to select target chain, Harmony. For you guys, you need to click this so you have gas on the Harmony blockchain. But since I already have Harmony 1, because this will automatically swap one of your ELK to a little bit of Harmony 1 for gas, but since I already have Harmony 1 on my account, I won't have to do this. You click approve ELK. And you give them permission to access your ELK. After this is approved, you click transfer. Then you confirm the transaction in your wallet. This shows you it's successfully been swapped. Now you go up here and you click Harmony. First, it will ask you to import it since you've never been on the Harmony blockchain. But since I already have it integrated into my MetaMask, I don't have to do that. So that step won't show up for me. So all I have to do is switch network. Once I switch network to Harmony, I go to swap, and I swap all my ELK to Harmony 1. I click allow use of ELK, and then you click swap. And now you scroll to the bottom and click confirm. After that, you're done. You just wait for the confirmation thing to pop up here, right here, and that means you've successfully swapped AVAX to Harmony 1 on the Harmony 1 blockchain. Thank you for watching. See you guys.